So hello everybody, my name is Zsombor Vajtai from Hungary, from the ABZ drone, ABZ Innovation Company, and I will present you the ABZ Innovation L10 PRO spraying agricultural drone. I have some setup for this today test. First, I will demonstrate my setup. This spraying drone has to fly really accurately, so I have to use a base station, and for the L10 PRO spraying drone we use always the ABZ Reach RS2 base station with a direct communicate system with the LoRa radio technology. So I measure the base coordinate with an entry provider, and I place on a tripod, so you can see here. I also have batteries. This is the drone batteries. This is 16,000 milliampere hours batteries for the drones, so I can use this. Now the drone is turned off. I have the controller of the drone. This is the ABZ Innovation L10 PRO controller. This is a radio controller. You can see the software. I don't have map now because I don't have internet access for the drone right now, but I can program the drone, the whole spraying system on this controller. But really important, before I fly the drone, before I make the spraying, I have to collect some data from the fields I will spray precisely. So I need to collect some data, and I have two options. First option, I use this ABZ base station as a rover and measure some points. For example, I will spray today in a vineyard, so I have to measure rows points, and then I can use these points for making the exact lines. Or the second option, I will use the DJI M3 multispectral monitoring drone to get an orthomosaic about this field, and on the orthomosaic with specified software in a computer. So you can see this is my Windows tablet computer. It is enough for me for this process. I can draw the exact path for the drone where the drone will fly and will spray. So let's see the drone. So we are here. This is the ABZ Innovation L10 PRO spraying drone, and why is PRO? The PRO, it means it has the component inside the body which can connect to the ABZ Reach RS2 base station, and it can fly without internet access, centimeter accurate positioning system, with centimeter accurate position system. So let's see why this drone is good for agricultural spraying. First, it has a really big time flying capability. It can fly without the tank about 30 minutes, but with the tank, with the spraying, it can spray out the tank liquid about after 8 minutes. And if we use a big amount of spraying, for example 20 liters per hectares, we can use 2 tank with 1 battery. Yes, we have to land, but we don't have to change the battery always. We have CDA technology sprinkles below the rotors, below the motors. This kind of technology has a rotation component which can make really precisely the liquid in a really precise micron. We can use from 80 micron to 1000 micron size. We can change it. I usually use these sprinkles with 195 micron. We have 4 arms, 4 rotors, and we have a 10 liter capacity tank inside the body. We can remove it and we can fill it across this cup. We have 2 component filter system, all as required for the spraying technology. We can use more tank, so we can change it easily when we do some spraying mission. And we have a place where we can take the battery inside. We have a simple plug-in for the battery connection. Immediately when we connect the battery, the drone will start up, will turn on, so we don't have to push any button on the drone. And also we have some component on the drone which can help for the pilot in the mission, in the progress. So we have two cameras on the drone. One camera is for forward vision and one is for the ground vision, and we have two LED lights next to the camera, which we can rotate it to the exact position. First, we can see the drone at night, or we can rotate to the back side, and then these two LED can light up the spraying, so we can monitor if the spraying is okay. And also we have big landing gears, so it can easily take off in a really bad terrain, like big grass or anything. So this drone can handle 5 liters per minute almost, and it's really good for spraying in traditional agriculture fields or even in vineyards. It's perfect. We can move in vineyards about 2 meters per second or even faster. It's depend on how much amount of liquid we would like to use. But in a traditional agriculture area, we can use 3 to 6 meters per second speed. It's a really accurate and really precise drone for agriculture.